I love the smell of new construction homes in the afternoon. It just gets you in that mood to want to do a home tour.
Yeah, absolutely. If only we had a prospective buyer to show this home to. You
look like a home buyer that could use a house tour.
Let's go.
Come on in, let's check this place out. Awesome. So right away what I'm noticing is in this home the abundance of natural light that flows throughout. And as you make your way through the main floor, you're gonna notice the upgraded vinyl plank flooring. Here in the living space, we have this nice entertainment wall with a built-in electric fireplace insert. Nice. Take a seat, live it up, see how it feels for yourself.
And right over here, you have your open concept dining and kitchen space with your updated golden black light fixtures. Stepping into the kitchen, we have your quartz countertops and your gas stove with range and your oversized window here. I personally love the two-tone cabinetry, but this place has so much more to offer, so why don't we check out upstairs?
Now let's check out the second floor here. Now on the staircase, check out those additional oversized windows. Tons of light flowing throughout those. I love them. And here on the second story, we're gonna have your 3 bedrooms and your 2 full bathrooms. The bedrooms still have the high-end flooring running throughout. And here on your immediate bathroom, fully tiled, and you even have quartz countertops running throughout there as well. Stylish.
And over here in the primary bedroom, you have a pretty generous layout with your walk-in closet over here that has tons of shelving. And lastly, over here, we have, of course, our ensuite bathroom.
Now there's no rush. Whenever you're ready, let's head outside. I hope you enjoyed that house tour of 829 La Signorini. At 1,400 plus square feet, this newer home with its plethora of upgrades, side door entry for future development, and double detached garage is ready to become yours today.